beautiful subway station right near the palace. So I came the other side and now heading back to Chongqing. I can catch a train from here. And this is beautiful in here. What you see in here, that entrance is superb. We'll go get a ticket. All right, really simple. We go in here. We need a ticket. And I've got some change to do that with. I think so. Yeah. Ticket is ready to go. And we just follow the signs. It's all line 3 here. Yeah, we go down here. Through here, and then we just put it here. There we go. Through the gate and down to the tracks. Look at that. That's the mascot. Look at that. What a beautiful station. Just beautiful. Now we go down here. This is the line up on. It's all colour coded. We're in the orange line 3. And the cool way you can check which direction you're going, because there's 2 directions here, this way, that way. All you do is come down and check on the wall here, look for where you are, and the direction is going that way, so it's not there, so it's the other side. We're going that way, and there's our station, Chongqing. So it says it's going that way, this side, around here, and there's our station. As easy as that. Really simple. It's a great way to get around, and really cheap. About $1.50. That's the announcement for that side. We'll wait for our side. As easy as that. And as simple as that, off we go. Go out through our exit gate. I'll check on my phone. It's either exit 2 or 3. They're fairly close. And you're out. I'll show you, swipe in the card and we'll be off. And it's as simple as that. Best way to get around. The stations are incredible. Okay, we're going out through there. Okay, we're going out through gate 2. So these are all the different levels. There's our sign there. Gate 2, right there. Alrighty, here's our exit gate. Check one in. There we
Please
go.
redeem your deposit after getting on.
Okay. So you get 500 back. You just go here. Simple as that, and we're out. We go around the corner here, up the stairs, and we're out. How good is that? Nice and easy. This station's obviously right here, and that's where I'm staying, the brown building there. Oh, too easy. So I'll just walk up there, down and across there, and I'm home. Really simple. So when you're coming here to Seoul, don't worry about transport. You can get anywhere around the city on the underground. It's a great way to get around and cheap, and it's straightforward. No worries. See you here. Toodles.